We're now going to showcase the completed LifeOS and also showcase the template pack. So this vault was created as part of this YouTube series, and it's been created to give you valuable insights into how to create your own cycles and reviews dashboard inside Obsidian to manage your daily journals, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly reviews, your daily habits, goal systems, achievements, and disappointments. You can either get started by navigating to the Cycles and Reviews dashboard inside the map of content, or you can just simply select Cycles and Reviews. Another way you can get to your dashboard is you can go down to your Manage Workspace Layouts, select Cycles and Reviews, and that's going to load your Cycles and Reviews dashboard. To enter a daily note, you can click the current day of the week, or you can come up to your daily journals and select Add New Daily Journal. You can use the hotkey Alt-Q, go into Add Review, then go New Daily Review. So you've got 3 ways of adding your new daily journal. Then moving on to adding a weekly journal, you can either click the week that you're in here by selecting the number of the week, or you can select weeks, then add new weekly review, or you can use the hotkey Alt-Q, add review, new weekly review. There's also a quick add down the bottom right where you can click select add review and go new weekly review, and that's the same for daily review as well. To add a new monthly review, you can simply come into your months, select add new monthly review, or you can go down to your QuickAdd, add review, new monthly review, or use the hotkey Alt-Q and get to it that way. There's also the option to Control P, periodic, open monthly note. So you've got a few options there. Moving on to your quarterly. You have your quarterly reminder here, and you can add a new quarter by selecting the Add New Quarter Review, or you can simply go Quick Add Review, New Quarterly Review, and you've got your hotkey as well. Onto the yearly. Yearly, you have your Add New Yearly Review, or you can simply use your Quick Add command, Add Review, New Yearly Review. If you want to check your daily habits, you have your daily habits here. I recommend just removing the options that you don't need and keep the option that you would like to use. You can go ahead and enter your value, goals, your goal outcomes in these sections here, and you can create buttons for them if you would like. So moving on to the style, I'm using the minimal theme with the Dracula color scheme applied. Then I have a custom CSS under my custom.css within my .obsidian folder, and check out the previous section for what lives in there. If I want to make a change to any of my headings, I can come into my style settings and I can go down to my headings and change my color, or I could change the font if I would like a different font size, and that's the same for all my headings. And there's a whole bunch of other styles I can change there as well if I want to. So if we have a look under the toolkit, we have all our templates here. We have our dynamic habit tracker results for our habit dashboard. We have all our MetaBind embeds for our menus, and I've just gone and added different menus for each directory. If you ever want to get to your reviews without going through the cycles and reviews, just simply navigate down to your journal folder reviews, click on the directory that you would like to access. When your cycles and reviews start growing, utilize the search field to start searching for particular reviews within your LifeOS. Obsidian LifeOS template pack. We'll now take a look at the Obsidian LifeOS template pack. So inside the pack, we have a directory example, a copy of a logo, as well as some MetaBind buttons that link to the MetaBind Cycles and Reviews menu. Inside the Cycles and Reviews menu, you'll get a whole bunch of MetaBind buttons to customize. Inside the toolkit folder, you will get some cycles and reviews templates. This will include the achievements, cycles and reviews, disappointments, monthly, daily, weekly, quarterly, and yearly review templates. Inside the snippets folder, you'll get the MetaBind cycles and reviews menu, as well as the MetaBind habit tracker. You can customize this habit tracker, then make changes to the journal template to match those habits. To get the best out of this pack, you'll need to move the templates into your templates folder and customize your metadata to match your personal goals. You could also add the daily, weekly, quarterly, yearly templates to your periodic notes community plugin. You could customize your MetaBind habit tracker, then change the YAML to match your daily journal template, or you could create your review directories to match the MetaBind cycles and reviews menu. There's also an action plan that you can fill out, which will appear on your template. If you'd like to save time, you can jump onto my KoFi page and purchase the Obsidian LifeOS Vault. This will give you the whole vault from the video series. So you can also grab the Obsidian LifeOS template pack from KoFi. Just remember, this pack doesn't contain the whole vault. You will need to still follow along with the series in order to get the best out of this template pack. I hope this series has given you valuable insights on building an effective journal, habit tracking, and review system in Obsidian. If you're looking to save time, you can grab the Obsidian LifeOS Vault on my KoFi page. If you found this series helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or suggestions on what you'd improve or change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.